In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format prompts for Claude AI. We'll keep it simple and practical so you can go from idea to a clear, effective prompt in just a few minutes. Start by logging into Claude AI. Make sure you're signed in on the website or app so your work is saved and you can return to your chat later. A stable connection helps prevent losing your message as you compose. Open a new chat. Beginning with a fresh conversation keeps the context focused on your current task, which helps Claude stay on track and avoids pulling in details from older threads. Now write your request clearly and organize it into sections. Lead with your goal in one short, direct sentence. State exactly what you want as the final outcome, like writing a draft, analyzing text, or outlining steps. Putting the goal first sets direction and helps Claude prioritize the right details. Follow the goal with brief context. Offer only what's needed: the situation, the audience, and any relevant constraints. Too much background can blur to the task. Too little can cause vague results. Next, list your specific instructions or constraints. Bullet points work very well for this inside your prompt because they make requirements unmissable. Include must-have elements such as length limits, formatting preferences, style or tone, key topics to include or avoid, and any tools or data the model should assume. Be explicit about what success looks like, for example, a checklist of criteria the response should satisfy. If you need a particular output format, say so. You can request headings, sections, or a numbered list. Defining structure upfront saves time you'd spend reorganizing later. Use clear, active language. Replace fuzzy phrases with measurable ones. Instead of make it short, say keep it under 150 words. If you refer to items that vary, use placeholders to keep the prompt reusable, and include an example input or a brief sample if that will clarify the pattern. Avoid sensitive information. Do not include private names, emails, passwords, financial data, or keys. If the task depends on confidential details, describe them abstractly. Before sending, skim for ambiguity, conflicting rules, or missing constraints. Tight, well-ordered prompts produce tighter, more on-target answers. Finally, send your prompt. Claude will use your goal, context, and bullet-pointed constraints to generate a response that matches your intended outcome and format. With this structure, you'll spend less time fixing results and more time getting work done.